In this video, I'm going to walk you through the CSN Document Repository, which you will find within Capture. We use this internally at Connected SafetyNet for storing our controlled documents, and it's the easiest way to show you how your organization can use it too. The repository is designed specifically for controlled documents, policies, procedures, templates, certificates, audit evidence, and assurance documentation. These documents need proper version control, sign-off, and governance. The CSN Document Repository keeps all your controlled documents in one place, fully version controlled, approved, and audit ready. Accessing the repository. Here's how ours looks internally. This is our CSN site, and the document repository sits on the home screen. To open it, click the button marked CSN Document Repository. We currently have 3 repositories, but today we're focusing on policies and documents. This is where our fully controlled documents live for audits, compliance, customer due diligence, and procurement. Workflows, approval paths. Before we go into the repository itself, let's look at workflows. This is the purple button at the top right. Workflows define the approval and sign-off steps for documents. You can create as many workflow templates as you need. Here you can see 3 templates, one with a 2-step sign-off, and one with a single approval step. You can edit a workflow as long as it isn't currently in use. To create a new one, click Add New Template, give it a name and description, then add your workflow steps. You can choose whether a step is required, and whether rejection is allowed. Click Add Step to build multi-step workflows. Once finished, click Create Template. These workflows can be applied to documents, and every approval action becomes part of the automatic audit trail. Repository settings. Before opening the repository, click the 3 dots. Here you can edit the repository name, description, default workflow, and whether workflow approval is required for all documents. You can also choose whether individual documents can override the default workflow. Across the top you'll see Action Settings, Tab Settings, Document Settings, Metadata Settings, and Public Settings. Metadata settings allow you to customize metadata fields for all documents in the repository. Inside the repository, documents are organized into folders by category, such as HR and People, Legal and Data, Information Security, Operations, Engineering, Certificates, Finance, and Customer-Specific Information. To add a new folder, click New Folder. Enter the name and optional description. Choose a color, then click Create Folder. To add subfolders, hover over an existing folder, and select the option to add one. You can edit, move, or manage permissions for each folder. Permissions can be set at repository level, folder level, or document level. Folders can be reorganized at any time. Let's look at an example in HR and People, the Staff Handbook. Click View. When you open a document, everything is laid out in a clear, structured order. 1. Content, the document itself. 2. Sign-off/approval, approval status, approvers, pending steps. 3. Audit trail, log of every action. 4. Attestations, who has confirmed they've read the document. 5. Actions, tasks you can assign. 6. Revisions, version history with timestamps and changes. 7. Metadata, fields such as title, status, version, owner, approver, creation date, description. In the top right corner, you can download the latest approved version or share the document. Document list options. Back in the folder view, you can edit, move, manage permissions, or delete documents. The 3-dot menu allows batch actions such as moving, adding metadata, or deleting multiple documents. You can switch between tile view and list view. Examples across the repository. Legal and Data includes policies such as data breach and data processing. Operations includes business continuity, accessibility statements, environmental health and safety, and more. Certificates and Assurance contains ISO 27001, Cyber Essentials, ICO registration, penetration testing reports, staff certifications, and vendor assurance checks. Finance and Insurance stores insurance documents and annual accounts. Customer-specific information contains NDAs, attestations, and customized documents. So that's how we use the CSN Document Repository internally, and it's exactly how your organization can use it too. With CSN you can create multiple repositories, set and update approval workflows, manage sign-off, log revision history, track attestations, assign actions, customize metadata, control permissions at every level, move and restructure folders, keep documents audit ready, download or share approved versions instantly. If you'd like help designing your repository structure or workflows, we're always happy to help.